Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Happy holidays. Today I'm going to be showing you around this family room that I created out of an extra bedroom. So if you have a home that only has one living space and you maybe want another area for like your teenagers or something like that, I'm going to show you how I created this room out of my guest bedroom. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Yaber Pico T1 mini projector. Okay, this projector is by Yaber and they have sponsored this video. It comes with everything that you need to set it up in any room. It has its own battery pack. It also has a power cord. It comes with a travel case, and then it also has a remote control to control it. And this case is pretty cool because you can put everything in there. So even if your kids are like going to a sleepover or you want to do it outside, it makes it super easy to do that. And in my case, I'm using it in a room that I wouldn't typically have a TV in. So that gives me the option to, have like watch movies and things like that in this family room. So the first thing I'm doing is determining how I'm going to use the projector. Because I can use a Fire Stick, a Roku stick. I can even set it up with screen mirroring from my phone, or I can set it up using a like a game system, anything that will take an HDMI cord. So I'm setting up my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth, and I'm ready to go. So here it is. I have it like on a small stand right now in my family room, and it can work that way. You'll also see in a minute where I just actually have it on the coffee table. And if you don't want to have the power cords running and things like that, you could easily just use the battery pack that comes with it. But I absolutely love this little projector. It has good resolution. As you can see, I'm watching this during the day, and it has a good speaker on it. So I didn't need to attach any extra speakers to it or anything like that. So I'm absolutely loving this. I've been using this a lot with my grandson in here, and my daughter and my son-in-law. They come in here and they enjoy just kind of spending time in this area. So I have some blackout curtains over here. I'm going to show you what I did in the room. But guys, I have a link in my description box for the Yaber Pico T1 mini projector. Definitely worth the investment, especially if you want to set up similar to this. And I'm projecting on a screen, but if you have the space, you can actually project on the wall or on the ceiling. So now let's go ahead and check out what I have done in here. This is what this room used to look like. I had it as a formal room. However, it was not getting used at all, and I felt like I would get more use out of it if I made it more into a comfortable family room where we can go and come in here and watch movies, and I'll let my grandson watch cartoons and things like that. So let me take you around what I have done in the makeover. So first, I have these gold lamps here. These lamps are from Ross, and so are the end tables, and they are made out of like a mother of pearl. It's really pretty. I'm going with the colors of brown, black, white, and red, okay, for Christmas. I don't typically have red in here, but I absolutely love it. All of these pillows are from, I believe the pillows are from TJ Maxx. I've had them for a little while. On the coffee table, I put this beautiful gold tray here, which is from Home Goods, and I believe I paid like $19.99 for that tray. I've had that for a couple years now, and I just decided to put a nice candle on here to keep the room smelling nice and fresh, and then two decorative candles that I'm not going to light. This candle here is by Bath & Body Works, and it is frosted cranberry. I absolutely love this scent. Love it. So guys, if you like home decor and decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. So you can see the projector is over there just sitting on the table and works fine just like that. I have been using it in here during the day. I just closed the curtains, and it works just fine. Now the three pieces of wall art up there, They are all from Ross, and I believe they were $29.99 each. And I think I got those like during the summer, during last summer. The sofa is from a local furniture company. It's really comfortable and great for, watching movies since you can literally lay down on it. Okay, so guys, when you're setting up, what I did in the process I went through of turning this into a family room was, first thing was to measure the space. Definitely had to measure the space first before choosing the sofa to make sure that it would work. So I decided to put the sofa back in this corner, and it worked great. I have some curtains here hung from the ceiling all the way down to the floor, and they are blackout curtains so that when I am watching a movie, I can just close the curtains and I should be able to see the screen just fine. So here's a better look at the end table and the lamp on either side. They are from Ross, and I absolutely love those. The wall art, it is from Ross as well. I guess I shop at Ross a lot, guys. They just have some really good deals. And they were $29.99 each, and I got them last summer. So guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Check out the link in my description box for the projector, and I will see you in the next one.